Go.
Hi, I'm Rashard now from grade 3I, and this is my assignment. So I'm gonna explain everything here, except for the extra challenge. So the sandwich is 150 grams, fried chicken is pointing at 200 grams, spaghetti 225 grams, cookies is 25 grams, the water is 400 millimeters, and the milliliters, and the milk is 350 millimeters also. Milliliters. So I choose sandwich and cookies, and if you add it, it becomes 175 grams, which is not overdone for 100, so it's fine. So I can still add more to my lunchbox, and I want to choose this. These are options. Me and my mom found out 5 ways to do this. I'm gonna write the first 3 ways. So the first way is you just add spaghetti, 175 grams plus 225 grams equals to 400. Okay, 400 grams. So that's one option.
What food did you add?
I added spaghetti.
Okay.
A spaghetti if you can see, has 225 grams. And that's what I need to make for 100. So choice number 2. So choice number 2 is I can add 175 plus I can just add 175 plus fried chicken plus another cookie. So fried chicken, which is 200, and a cookie, which was 25 grams, makes 225. And I add it again, fried chicken and cookies, I add them to make 225, and that again makes 400 plus sandwich and another cookie. Or I can just do, what I can do also is I can do this. I can add what do you call this? I can add a sandwich plus another set of cookies. So it makes 175 again. 175 plus 175 is so it's just 350. Just 350. It does not exceed or go past 400, or it's not even equal to it yet. I think I can add a cookie again to make it 400.
So how many sandwiches and cookies did you put?
I did 2 sandwiches, and now I'm gonna add another cookie, which is 3 cookies. So when you add this, that's 7. It's not yet even 400 yet. It's 375. So yeah. Or you can just add a lot of cookies. So many cookies. You can also do
Why did you choose that food?
You can also do just water or milk plus something. I chose this food because I think it just goes together. Like a sandwich is a light meal, and cookies I can eat it quicker, and it doesn't. And so my lunchbox won't be too heavy also. Because if you put 400 grams, I think it's too heavy for me. So I just chose light foods, and it's enough for me also. So thank you for listening to this.
Bye.